Okay, so now the shed is all square and level, we need to fix the wall base plate into the concrete. There are a few different concrete anchor bolts available. I'm going to use this one. So this is a raw plug, which is the manufacturer. It's an M10 bolt and it's 150 mil long. So this is 42 mil high, so I'm going to get over 100 mil into the base. So this is the packet that it came in. So there's a pack of 10 here. They're heavy duty in terms of lift off performance, and the reason I'm using these are said to have the advantage that you can drill close to the edge of a masonry brick or concrete, and you've got less chance of cracking or breaking the substrate. And also, where it cuts its own thread into the concrete, you can actually remove these at a later date if you need to. I've also got some M10 washers which I'll just pop over, and I think that will just help spread the load across the wood, so I'll fit that as well. And I've also got myself a DeWalt multi-purpose or multi-material drill. This does masonry, concrete, PVC and wood. It's 200 millimeters long, so I can drill this 10-20 mil longer than it needs to be, and then any debris that I can't vacuum out will sit out of the way at the bottom of the hole. So first of all, let's get this unpacked, and then let's drill a hole which I've marked out here in the center of this 4x2. So this is 2 inches in the middle. Let's drill that through and then vacuum it out and get going. Just switching the drill to hammer and go into the concrete. Okay, once it's drilled and you've vacuumed out all of the debris, you can then put the washer over the anchor bolt. I'm just going to use this DeWalt Torx, but you could equally use a socket set. Let's just put that down. And that's it, all torqued down. I've put 2 washers on there just for extra security, so let's just zoom in on there so you can see that a bit better. There you go. So that goes into the concrete about 110 millimeters. These are even reversible, you can take them out, and I'll do that in every other recess all the way around the shed, and that's going to stop that from lifting up or sliding sideways. Hope that helps. If it does, please consider subscribing and maybe even hitting that notification bell so we see each other in the next video.